This is how to create a payment link in Whop. So all you have to do is in whop.com, go all the way to the hub station here, and then you just choose your product or something like your community that you created, and then you will see, let me zoom in here, like you can see here, you can see products. Just click on the products tab here, and then to create like the pricing and the product, it's just you click this like button here and just name the product, like for example test, then just continue. And then if in your case, if you want to make it a paid product, click here, continue, then just single payment or subscription. If you want to make it subscription, just say 1 month, give it a price that you like. Do you want to add a free trial? If so, you can choose 3 days or 7 days, whatever. But let's say we don't, and then you just continue. Visible or hidden, visible for public, so everybody can see that. Just with a hidden secret link, only for the people you share would be able to see that product and pricing. So in this case, let's put it public, just continue, and successfully create a product. Like you can see, this is how easy you can create a product on Whop. And now you can see $9 a month. It's visible. Then you can see your copy direct link. You can just click here, and then when you paste it, people will be getting to this site here to pay for the subscription for the payment link you created inside Whop now. As simple as that. Just follow these steps and you will have your product ready to go. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next guide.